Paper making is a process that requires a lot of water. For our production process, we borrow surface water from nearby lakes and rivers on its way to the sea. After use, it goes through an advanced purification process to ensure that it is clean and safe for the ecosystem when we return it to the sea. On its way from the TMP, the warm water passes through a screen that collects the largest waste material before entering the pre-sedimentation basin. Here, residual wood fibre from the TMP process sinks to the bottom and is collected for transportation to a sludge tank. With less suspended solids and slightly cooler water, it's time to add nutrients like phosphorus and nitrogen. In the equalization basin, surface aerators mix the water to create a smooth and homogeneous solution. The large surface of this basin also helps to further cool the water. With oxygen, phosphorus and nitrogen added to the water, the selector basin conditions are ideal for the growth of bacteria and microbes that break down carbon compounds in the water. The next step is the aeration basin, where the oxygen level in the water is increased in one of two ways. With floating aerator pumps that cast water into the air, on surface impact, the water effectively pulls oxygen from the air into the water, or by pumping air into aerators at the bottom of the basin. The added oxygen supports the growth of bacteria and microbes like rotifiers and cilia. They are responsible for turning suspended carbon compounds in the water into carbon dioxide. This biogenic carbon dioxide returns to the natural cycle and can be captured again by growing forests. At the following basin, the biosludge containing active bacteria and microbes is separated from the treated water by sedimentation. The sludge is pumped back to the previous basin to continue working with a new batch of wastewater. The sludge-free water moves on to the next step in the process. If the biologically treated water needs extra cleaning, this can be achieved by adding flocculation chemicals in the flotation step. The chemicals create flocks with the remaining sludge particles and organic compounds. In the flotation basin, tiny air bubbles attach themselves to the flocks and bring them to the surface, forming a floating foam. The foam is removed and the water has now been thoroughly cleansed from particles and carbon compounds. The sludge that was removed during the cleaning process is collected in a tank. It is homogenized through stirring, and then the water is removed in a press or centrifuge. The dewatered sludge is turned into soil improvement products or burned as biofuel. The water can now be released into the sea. We regularly monitor the condition of the receiving water bodies in accordance with our environmental permits.